How can I win her back?
Oh, Jesus.
How can I get her to love me again?
You are so asking the wrong person.
It must be possible.
Bullshit.
It must be.
Why?
Because Nina is my whole life. Because I've loved her since. Now I'm screwed because love has attached itself to her. Well, this may sound like the hokiest thing said by anyone, anywhere, ever. She is love to me.
Well, yeah, that is.
Fuck you, you don't understand how unfair love can be.
I don't understand. I don't? Listen, the woman that I love, that I'm, burning for every single day, is ridiculously, stupidly in love with you. It has been for years. Years. Now tell me, please, what exactly is it that I don't understand?
It's not true.
Yes, it is. So what do you think? You think I can get her to love me instead? That love is logical, that it obeys some laws? Do you understand that? It hurts me so much I feel it in my thighs. Whoever heard of love so powerful? You feel it in your thighs.
Your thighs?
Yes. My thighs. It's ridiculous.
I wish I didn't know Nina so well. And then I could lie to myself better. But I know every look, every pause, every cloud of an idea that crosses her face. You should see her looking at him. And then looking at me to make sure that I didn't see her looking at him that way. And then looking away when she knows that I've seen her looking at him. And then trying to look back at me kind of the same way that she was looking at him so I won't feel so bad. And failing epically at replicating the look when I'm the focus. I mean, not even close.